Hi, Thelma here of Seasonal Crafts and Creations, and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a Walmart haul, and it's Christmas, so without further ado, let's get started. First I want to show you, I was so happy when I seen these. It's 3 ornaments, and it's the little red truck. Look at that. Look at the detail. The front. And the way it's made, you can get a small tree or presents and glue it on the back of the truck. And for all 3 of them, they were only $2.98. And they have these mini ornaments. These are black and white. Some of them say Merry Christmas, Ho Ho Ho, Fa La La, and sleigh bells ringing, it looks like. And look at that. There's 16 of them in there. And these only cost $3.48. Right there. They have these name tags that were 98 cents each, and they're 100 peel and stick name tags. Look how pretty they are. And then I flipped it around so you could see if they were different on the back. Looks like it's the same. But my favorites is the Santa here and the sleigh with the reindeers and the snowman. I love snowman. And for $4.98, they have these ornaments, 4 of them in a pack, and they're glass. And these are white with multicolor Christmas tree with a red star on top, and it has little stars and balls going all the way around it, if you can see right there. These are so beautiful. And I have another pack of them, but in different, these are all different colors. This one's white and red with designs on it. This is red, looks like a real big snowflake on them. And this is green with, I guess that's a snowflake. It looks like one. Let me see the other one. And they're all snowflakes. And they're all different colors except for the 2 red ones here. And then you have just one white and one green. And the last one is these white snowmen. Look at his face. Look at that smile he has. These are just so cute and darling. I should have picked up 2 boxes of these, but I can always look again when I go back up there and see if they have any and get them later and add to it. I did get a couple other things, 3 things. That's not Christmas, but I'm going to save them till last to show you. And I knew I wanted to get some owls. I almost got this one owl that was white and gray, I think. But when my husband showed me these little, like, wooden owls sitting on a little tree branch, I mean, look at how they're made. I ain't never seen nothing like this. and the detail of them, and they're only $5.98 right there. $5.98 for 4. And they had all different other kinds of things made like this too. But I just think these are so cute. And I picked up a bunch of picks, Christmas picks. They're all, I believe, 98 cents each. And look at these berries with snowflake on them. You can't beat that. And they're at least 10 inches long. And there's a lot of berries on that. Even the back of it looks nice. And then I picked up this one, leaves and greenery and little berries and a pine cone with a dust of red and glitter all on it. I just love my picks because you can make anything look real nice if you have the right pick. And then I'm over here dropping them. And then they had these. I've never seen anything like these before. They're all on a bendable little wire, and they're just balls with fluffy coming out of them. And they're red and white, and they have shiny glitter like on them, but it's not glitter, it's just the way they're made. And look at that. Let me grab this one I dropped. And I had to get this red one, and it's got the little clip on it. They're all red little twirls, and you can bend them, move them. I love picks because you can add on flower arrangements, all different kinds of things. They have all these different silver ones here. You have a silver one with the little twirls on it, right here. And it's just a regular pick, and it has silver glitter all over it to make it shine. And then there's this one with little balls on them, like the scatter balls or the vase filler ones that you see. 3 of them, and it's leaves, and it has some shiny glitter on it. And they have a lot of these. They start out at 98 cents, and then they go up to $3.98. And this one is silver with a silver pine cone and just a touch of greenery right here. That's elegant right there. These are so high end, and I can't believe Walmart's selling them for 98 cents each. And these have sequins on them, if you can see them right here. See the little sequins? I've never seen one like this one. And some more of those red ones. And then there's these red ones with the red balls on them. And these are pretty big too. I mean, if you look at it from my hand almost to my elbow long. And then there's another red one with the red balls on them. I'll just call them mini ornaments. And then there's another one. These have little silver poinsettias on them too. These are so elegant and beautiful. And then another one, red one with holly bush and holly berries and some greenery and a pine cone on it. I just have a little bit more of the picks. I'm not going to show you over and over again every one I got when I bought more than one of each one. But here's one, another one. This is green, and it has this rustic look to it, and it has green berries on it. And it's a regular one. Some of them have the clip on them, and some of them don't. Here's a white twirly one, and it has the pick on it. And you can pop these picks right off if you don't want to use them. And I do have a gold one in there with glitter on it and a big ornament right here. And I believe that's it for the different types of, well, I do have a bigger, just to show you how big they can be, the swirly things. Some of them are small and some of them are large. And I have another one of these sequence ones, and I didn't show you, but right here they have circles of them, and it's just a regular pick. Okay, that's it on the Christmas stuff. Now I have just a few items. This is a Christmas gift we picked up for a granddaughter. It says, "Do not touch before Christmas. Reach into the reindeer poo to receive your gift. Open at your own risk." What it is, it's a bunch of gooey, that slime, and there's a surprise in it. And she's into slime and all that. And then this one is reach into the elf, I hate to say this, snot, to receive your gift. And they're just funny for a gag joke, but she really likes these. On her birthday, she got a lot of slime on that. And they have these 18 packs of washcloths, and they were only $4.98, and they're different colors. Alright, I want to thank you all for stopping by and checking out my channel and watching this haul. If you liked it, please hit that thumbs up button. It'll really help my channel grow. And be sure to subscribe. That way you will receive a notification when I upload another video, and leave a comment, and I'll be more than happy to reply, because I try to reply to each and every comment on all my videos. And if you subscribe and leave a comment and click that thumbs up, you will be entered into the 6 scarecrows that I have contests going on. And once I reach 100 subscribers, and I'm almost there, I will pick out a winner and I will mail it to you. Alright, thank you all, and I hope you have a safe and happy day. Until next time.